Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy cryptocurrency using Interactive Brokers. In this video, we will guide you through the steps needed to make your first crypto purchase on the platform. Before we get started, make sure you have an Interactive Brokers account set up and funded. First, log into your Interactive Brokers account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the trading section. Look for the area that displays available assets or securities. Here you should find options for cryptocurrencies along with other asset classes. Click on the cryptocurrency option to see the available digital currencies that you can buy. Next, choose the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. Popular choices typically include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, but you may find other options available as well. After selecting your desired cryptocurrency, enter the amount you want to buy. You may have the option to specify whether you want to place a market order or a limit order. A market order buys at the current price, while a limit order allows you to set a price at which you are willing to buy. Finally, review your order details to ensure everything is correct. Once you are satisfied, confirm the order to execute your purchase. After your order is processed, you will receive a confirmation notification. Congratulations, you are now the owner of cryptocurrency through Interactive Brokers. Make sure to keep an eye on your investments and consider your strategies for managing them. Thank you for watching.